Hey everyone, welcome back to our Bible name series. The name which we are going to see today is Abiathar. Long ago, in the time of King David, there lived a priest named Abiathar, whose name means father of abundance. His life shows that true abundance does not come from riches or position, but from faithfulness to God, even in times of suffering. Abiathar was the son of Ahimelech, a priest who served the Lord in the city of Nob. One day, King Saul became jealous and angry because the priests had helped David, whom God had chosen to be the next king. In his anger, Saul ordered the death of all the priests. It was a terrible day. The priests were killed and the city was destroyed. Only Abiathar escaped. Broken hearted and afraid, he fled to David and told him what had happened. David felt deep sorrow and said, "Stay with me, you will be safe. For the one who seeks my life seeks yours." From then on, Abiathar became David's priest, serving faithfully and helping David seek God's guidance in every decision. Through all the trials, wars, and wilderness journeys, Abiathar stayed by David's side. He learned that God's abundance is not about comfort, but about his constant presence. Even after losing everything, Abiathar still had something greater, a living relationship with God and a purpose in his plan. Abiathar's name, Father of Abundance, became a symbol of spiritual abundance, the peace, courage, and strength that come only from trusting in the Lord. Abiathar's story reminds us that true abundance comes from God, not from what we own or achieve. When we lose worldly things, God can still fill our hearts with peace and hope. The Bible says, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." Even in sorrow and danger, Abiathar found that God was enough. In the same way, when we choose to stay close to God, obey His word, and serve others faithfully, we will never lack what truly matters. Real abundance is walking with God every day, trusting His promises, following His guidance, and letting His presence fill our lives with peace and strength. Thanks for watching. See you again with another name from the Bible.